All right, today we're going to talk about how you can install Roblox Studio, which will get you started actually making your Roblox games. Many of you may not realize this, but you can actually create your own games that your family, friends, and others can play. And today we're going to begin on how to install the software. So right now, if you go to Roblox, which is roblox.com, you will be to their main website. If you don't have an account, you can create an account. If you do have an account, you can use that login to get Roblox Studio. So if you go to roblox.com/create, and you can see the URL up there, you will be on the page where you are going to start your download of Studio. And Studio is really very cool. As you can see, it says, make anything you can imagine with our free and immersive creation engine. And that's the great part. This is totally free. You can just use it on your computer. So the installation is really the same whether you are on a Mac or a PC. And I'm going to step you through fairly quickly what you need to do to get started. So you're going to go down here. You see where I'm circling this Start Creating button, and you're going to click it. Now, you'll notice that two windows came up. Most of you will not get this top window up here. This is because I already have Roblox Studio app installed. So I'm just going to hit cancel. What you probably got was this bottom box right down here where it says Download Studio. So you're going to click on Download Studio, and that will begin the download process, and you just follow the instructions provided and you will have Roblox Studio on your computer ready to go. I'd like to take a moment to talk about the MADE, which is the Museum of Art and Digital Entertainment. It's an interactive museum where you actually get to play video games. Unfortunately, due to the current health crisis going on, the museum has had to close down access to the public. However, I would like to point out that on the museum's webpage, themade.org, and also I will have a link to the side, you can make a donation to help out the museum at this time. Anything you can do would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.